Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you in 1 John 5 verse 4. For whatsoever is born of God overcometh the world, and this is the victory that overcometh the world, even our faith. So this is the message of the Lord for you today, that God is giving you a faith to overcome. God is giving you a faith to victory. God is giving you a faith to move and not to stay. God is giving you a faith to fight. God wants you to fight valiantly. God wants your faith to increase. God wants you to act in your faith. God wants you to stand firm. Your faith is needed in this hour because your enemies keeps on attacking you, keeps on slaying you spiritually. But God is rescuing you. God is protecting you. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all. Bye.